That's the closet Azul bought. I wanted versus the one next to it. Girl, we won't have that French vanilla one. We got everything else. We got the honey and melon. We got both of those. Lemon drops are really good. It's a margarita lemon drop, rum cocktail, vodka martini. Lemon drops are sweet to me. But which one?
That is you. That is you. That champagne like you.
Not.
It is a champagne.
We ain't got the Airbnb yet.
Okay.
Wait till we get the Airbnb. Everybody, these are nasty. I don't know why everybody like these.
If you don't tell nobody what the meal, they get drunk and full.
All these. Look at them skulls will mess you up. Them skulls mess you up, bro. That alien killed me. Because it killed you, bro. When I tell you I got drunk off that fast.
They're right there, I want to check them out, look. Them African made.
Yep.
Hey.
No, you.
Good. No, she said come here.
Yeah.
So I came here. I was going.
Oh, yeah.
I just use that. I go in and once you install everything, like slowly take time.
You can look at a video on it.
Ooh.
You can use wax.
Ours.
Whoa, what did all these?
These are all
That
attachments.
girl, you finna get this too?
Okay. That's what she was looking for anyway. We had that one right there.
Yeah, it's just
We all using it. Yeah.
Different stuff, like, you know.
71.
How much?
71.
Get yourself some, girl.
See, with there, you get everything with this one.
Yeah, this one you get.
This order is amazing. Only I just read on the internet, crocodiles also tend to hide under the sand. So now, and then it goes from inside. Crocodiles are frequently sighted around all these places, which includes almost all tourist places. To its eye because of its striking appearance. Just kept on killing them.
Yeah, so they scotch and then.
Colorful.
Please.
You want to bottle it, my glass it. Okay. There you go, though.
It's like saying movie night. Yeah. I'm gonna watch this.
The funniest thing I ever seen. Man.
Okay, y'all, so it's all for that video. New Year's and New Year's Eve vlogs. Before I go, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below, and I'll see you guys later.